guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a raccoon. Raccoons are like the clever, masked bandits of the night. They have gray fur with black markings on their eyes, making them look like they're wearing a mask. Raccoons are known for their curious and mischievous nature. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a gorilla. Gorillas are like the gentle giants of the forest. They have strong, muscular bodies and are covered in dark fur. Gorillas live in family groups and are known for their intelligence and close-knit relationships. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a wolf. Wolves are like the wild, social singers of the woods. They have thick fur, sharp eyes, and travel in packs. Wolves are skilled hunters and communicate with each other through howling. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a hippopotamus. Hippos are like the big, water-loving mammals of Africa. They have enormous mouths and spend a lot of time in rivers and lakes to stay cool. Despite their size, hippos are great swimmers. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a penguin. Penguins are like the tuxedo-wearing, dancing stars of the icy world. They have sleek, black and white feathers and are excellent swimmers. Penguins waddle on land and slide on their bellies over the ice. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a koala. Koalas are like fluffy, tree-hugging teddy bears. They have soft, gray fur and round faces. Koalas spend most of their time in eucalyptus trees, munching on leaves and taking long naps. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a cheetah. Cheetahs are like the race car drivers of the animal kingdom. They have a sleek, golden coat covered in black spots. These fast felines can sprint at incredible speeds, making them one of the fastest land animals.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.